Now the fourth question. Find the value of x in each of the following figures if L parallel M, means the line L is parallel to line M, and this line N is the transversal. Therefore, here the line L is parallel to the line M and N transversal. Therefore, let us say this be angle 1. Angle 1 is equal to 110 degrees, vertically opposite angles, and angle 1 plus angle x is equal to 180 degrees. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplemented. Therefore, angle x is equal to 180 minus 110. This is equal to 70 degrees. Now the second one. Here line L is parallel to line M and line A is transversal. Therefore, angle x is equal to 110 degrees, pair of corresponding angles are equal. Here, line L and line M are parallel. This line is given to confuse you. Line A is the transversal. Therefore, angle x is equal to angle 110. It is the pair of corresponding angles and they are equal. Therefore, angle x is equal to 110 degrees. Hope you understand. If you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment box so that I can answer you. Now let me wipe this. Till then, you start with the question 5 and try to find the angles. Recognize the parallel lines and the transversal and the angles accordingly. What are corresponding angles? What are alternate angles? In alternate angles, there are two types. One is interior alternate angles and another pair is exterior alternate angles. You have to be perfect to recognize the angles, the lines and the transversal. Now the fifth one. In the adjoining figure, the arms of two angles are parallel. Here ABC. If angle ABC is equal to 70 degree, find angle DGC. Angle DGC. We have to find it. Arms of the angles are parallel. That is AB parallel DE. Here in this figure, what is given? AB parallel DE. And BC will be the transversal. Therefore, angle DG, this vertex is G. This is not the vertex, this is the point of intersection where the arm BC cuts the arm DE. DGC is equal to 70 degrees. Is equal to, first we can write, we have to write properly. Angle DGC is equal to angle ABG, because corresponding pair of corresponding angles are equal. Right. Always you should be able to write the reason for every step you write. That is, angle DGC is equal to ABC, ABG or ABC. Angle ABG is same as angle ABC, therefore it is given as 70 degree. Therefore it is 70 degree. Now, second one, angle DEF. Angle DEF. This angle is equal to 70 degree and this angle is also 70 degree. Why? Because DGC angle is equal to the angle GEF, because BC is equal to angle GEF. We want to find DEF or GEF, and GEF or DEF is equal to angle DGC. Here we have found this is equal to angle DGC, because pair of corresponding angles are equal. Here we should write BC parallel EF and DE transversal. These 2 points you have to write, BC parallel EF and DE transversal. BC parallel EF, DE transversal. Therefore, DGC is equal to GEC. Pair of corresponding angles are equal. We know that DGC is equal to 70 degree because in the first question we found it. We can directly write angle DEF is equal to 70 degrees. Did you understand? Now try the fourth one. Sixth one. Recognize the parallel lines and the angles. If the angles are equal, when the lines are parallel. What are the conditions to be parallel? If the corresponding angles are equal, then the lines have to be parallel. If the interior alternate angles are equal, lines have to be parallel. If the exterior alternate angles are equal, lines to be parallel. If a pair of angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary, then the lines are parallel. So here the condition is reversed. The sixth one. In the first figure, L, M, N are the three lines intersecting at 2 points, and one angle is given as 126 and another angle is given as 44 degrees, and they are on the same side of the transversal and they are inside this pair of lines. And let us check whether 126 degrees plus 44 degrees is 180, is 126 degrees plus 44 degrees is equal to 180. 170 degrees is not equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, L is not parallel to M. Okay. Now the second figure. This is one line and this is another line and this is the third line, and all the three are intersecting at 2 points, and this angle is given as 75 degrees and this angle is given as 75 degrees. This is L, M and this is N. To be parallel, line L and line M to be parallel, the condition should be alternate angles should be equal, corresponding pair of corresponding angles should be equal, or exterior alternate angles should be equal, or the angles on the same side of the transversal, the interior angles on the same side of the transversal should be supplementary. Here, these two are vertically opposite angles. Therefore, this is also 75 degrees. And these two angles, 75 degrees plus 75 degrees, do they add up to 180 degrees? Is this? No. 150 degree is not equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, L and M are not parallel. Okay, this is how you should write the points as reasons for your answer. Now the third and fourth one. Try them on your own. This is the line M, this is the line L, and this is the line M, and this is the line N. The angles given are 57 degrees and 123 degrees. Here, this angle is also 57 degrees because vertically opposite angles, and E is 123 degrees plus 57 degrees is equal to 180. 180 is equal to 180 degrees. Yes, L is parallel to M. You should write in words. L is parallel to M because angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Then the last figure. This is the third one and this is the fourth one. This is L and this is M and this is N is the transversal. This angle is 98 degrees and this angle is 72 degrees. Here because this is 72, this is also 72 degrees because of vertically opposite angle property. Is 98 plus 72 is equal to 180. 98 plus 72 is 170 is not equal to 180 degrees. Therefore, L is not parallel to M. It is not satisfying the condition that pair of angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Therefore, this pair of lines is not parallel.